If your F2L looks like this, fast move, then pause. Another pair, then pause again. Your hands are not the problem, your look ahead is. Hey, I am Dmytro, and in this video I'll show you how to improve your look ahead in F2L. We'll keep it simple. With easy example you can try right again. So don't just turn faster, learn how to stop pausing. Most beginners do F2L like this. They solve one pair, then they start looking for the next one. But that creates a pause after every pair. And this small pause makes the whole solve feel slow. Look ahead means you don't wait until the pair is finished. While your hands are solving one pair, your eyes are already looking for the next one. So after this pair is done, you already know what to do next. Here is the difference. Without look ahead, you solve a pair and then you search. With look ahead, you solve a pair and you already know the next move. It may look slower, but it is actually much smoother. The first rule is simple: turn a little slower. If you turn too fast, your eyes can follow the cube. But if you slow down, you can see the next pair earlier. The second rule: don't stay at the pair you are solving. When the pair is already easy, let your hands finish it. Use your eyes to find the next corner and edge. Before we practice, comment this: do you pause more in F2L, OLL or PLL? And if you want more beginner cubing tips, subscribe. Now let's fit it with a simple drill. Here is the easiest drill for look ahead. Do your F2L very slowly, without a timer. Your only goal is simple: no pauses between pairs. Here is the butter drill. Before you insert the pair, try to finish it with your eyes closed. If that feels easy, your hand already knows the case. Then try to find not one, but two next pieces before you insert. One common mistake is trying to turn faster too early. If you turn fast but still pause, your F2L will not feel faster. First, make it smooth, then make it fast. Now try this challenge. Do 5 slow F2L solves with no timer. Don't care about speed. Your only goal is to never stop moving. If this helped you, try this challenge today and comment what part of F2L is hardest for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!